So, first, what is business intelligence? Business intelligence (BI) is a technology-driven process for analyzing data and presenting actionable information to help executives, managers, and other end users make informed business decisions. BI encompasses a variety of tools, applications, and methodologies that enable organizations to collect data from internal systems and external sources, prepare it for analysis, develop and execute queries, or to create reports, dashboards, and data visualizations to make analysis results accessible to both business decision makers and operational staff. Business intelligence initially developed relatively independently of data warehousing, enterprise content management, and knowledge management. Business intelligence systems are understood as analytical information systems, especially in German-speaking countries. In the meantime, data warehousing and business intelligence systems have experienced tremendous growth, increasing importance for information management and several paradigm shifts and expansions. The second point, why BI is so important. Data analysts and other IT experts who performed analysis and created reports with query results for business users were the primary users of BI tools. The classic areas of application are primarily corporate finance and controlling. Executives and employees are increasingly using BI platforms themselves, thanks in part to the development of self-service BI and data collection tools and dashboards. IT-supported business intelligence systems have become common in businesses in recent years in order to deal with ever-increasing amounts of data. The analytical component is becoming increasingly important, particularly in the context of big data. Furthermore, there is a paradigm shift from automated information distribution systems to various departments of industrial, scientific, and governmental organizations to business performance measurement. And now, the usage and benefits of BI. Business intelligence tools have the potential to accelerate and improve decision-making processes, optimize internal business processes, increase operational efficiency, drive new revenue, and gain a competitive advantage over competitors. BI systems can also assist businesses in identifying market trends and business problems to solve. In other words, we are seeing a shift away from gut instincts and toward well-informed, data-driven decisions. BI systems aid in the evaluation of big data, providing humans with an overview. Furthermore, statistical methods, pattern recognition, and so on can be used to make predictive decisions rather than just reactive ones. Next point, BI software. Business intelligence solutions have a myriad of features, but in general, you can use them to perform any or all of the following tasks. Compare, reconcile different results via A and B or multivariate testing. Forecast results through predictive modeling. Inspecting patterns or relationships. Presenting cause and effect scenarios. When comparing business intelligence solutions, make it a point to include all or at least some of the following capabilities. Online analytical processing, OLAP, or business analytics. OLAP encompasses the full range of data preparation, processing, and delivery for reporting. At the core of BI solutions are OLAP tools that let you analyze multidimensional data in real time or simultaneously with other analytics. In general, the more options you have for isolating and displaying data from a dataset, known as an OLAP cube, the more flexibly you can interpret your data. Next point, reporting and queries. Reporting and querying is another focus of BI software that generates and sources complex data. Meanwhile, modern BI solutions have intuitive queries that allow users to map complex data without SQL writing or programming skills. OLAP automatically prepares datasets for each new query. This allows companies to deploy BI tools across the enterprise and beyond the traditional realm of the IT department. Next point, dashboards can be digital or visual. Data visualization is the final stage of reporting and one of the most distinguishing features of BI solutions. Executives and non-technical users frequently view BI solely from this perspective. Spatial reports, heat maps, and other advanced visualizations are examples. And the last point for today, integration. Integration is critical because BI solutions rely on multiple data sources to provide meaningful insights. Many vendors, in fact, bundle BI tools with other business applications such as CRM, Salesforce automation, and shopping cart software. However, not all have API integration, which allows you to create apps for the software. If you are a programmer, there are BI solutions that have open APIs and support for Ruby, Java, and JavaScript. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See ya.